Hundreds of COVID-19 victims who have found it difficult to breathe on their own have had to be airlifted to the capital for further medical treatment. But what is the process like getting that patient safely to the Princess Margaret Hospital? Well, we caught up with the director of operations and a physician on board those emergency flights to find out.
That call goes through our dispatcher, and our dispatcher would take all the information regarding the patient.
When COVID-19 reared its ugly head here in the Bahamas in March of 2020, the Air Ambulance Services team hit the skies frequently, transporting ailing victims stricken with the deadly virus. While it can be quite an expensive undertaking, Director of Operations Captain Jason Sweeting says the team collects about 40 patients per month, with the largest patient weighing in about 300 to 400 pounds.
The aircraft has special stretcher systems, and we have loading ramps that we're able to safely put a patient in the aircraft. We have what we call a personal PIU, patient isolation unit, or people call it capsule or pod. That actually protects the patient and the healthcare worker themselves. Okay? We use that. We have stretcher systems. We also have whatever the needs of the patient are, we can accommodate.
Captain Sweeting says he's deeply concerned about the high volume of calls from distressed COVID patients from the islands of Abaco, Eleuthera, and Inagua. And based on the vaccination status of victims in the past, Sweeting, along with his colleague, Dr. Sergio Kerr, are strongly advising Bahamians to get the jab.
I'm vaccinated. I feel that the vaccine would help. For all the patients, like I said, we have flown. We've only flown one patient that was vaccinated that need to seek additional medical help.
Good thing is we have data from all over the world, and it's shown that the vaccine has decreased the amount of severe illness and the amount of need for hospitalization and death. So that's really one of my concerns. I'm vaccinated, and I also had severe COVID, so I look at it from both standpoints of things, and I think that if we have more increased numbers of vaccinated people, then I think the severe disease is going to be less, hospital admissions is going to be less.
But getting that shot in the arm is not the only issue that Sweeting says needs to be addressed. In fact, he says the lack of resources at the country's premier healthcare facility is a major challenge.
Availability of space in the capital. There are shortages, so sometimes patients would actually have to wait. It could be a few hours, it could be the next day. So that is one of the biggest challenges. We would be ready to pick up a patient, but you can't bring a patient to Nassau if there's no space.
LaDawn Davis, ZNS Network News.
Attention, all building contractors and home owners. Connet Bahamas, your competent home improvement store, now has in stock kitchen cabinets, granite and quartz countertops, porcelain tiles, vinyl and laminated flooring, PVC windows, and so much more. Visit any one of our 4 locations today: Freeport, Nassau, Abaco, or Eleuthera, where we are committed to offering excellent customer service. You dream it, we design it, we deliver it.
If you missed anything, we've got you covered. Subscribe to our ZNS Network YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, for breaking news, live event coverage, web exclusives, and much more.